Baby love balls!
Hello friends, my name is Lorraine and this is Oriana, and today we're going to be reading Harry the Dirty Dog. What noise does a dog make? Woof, that's right. What noise does a dog make? Woof, that's right. Let's read. Harry the Dirty Dog by Jean Zion. Pictures by Margaret Bloy Graham. Harry the Dirty Dog. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except having a bath. So one day, when he heard the water running in the tub, he took the scrubbing brush and buried it in the back garden. Then he ran away from home. He played where they were mending the street and got very dirty. He played by the railway and got even dirtier. He played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. He slid down a coal chute and got the dirtiest of all. In fact, he changed from a white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought that he'd really run away. He felt tired and hungry too, so without stopping on the way, he ran back home. When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in the back garden. By the way, has anyone seen Harry?" When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them he was Harry. He started to do all his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped and he flop-flipped. He rolled over and played dead. He danced and he sang. He did these tricks over and over again, but everyone shook their heads and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." Harry gave up and walked slowly towards the gate, but suddenly he stopped. He ran to a corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. He found the scrubbing brush, and carrying it in his mouth, he ran into the house. Up the stairs he dashed, with the family following close behind. He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging with the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he certainly had never done before. "This little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl, and her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mummy, Daddy, look, come quickly. It's Harry, it's Harry, it's Harry," they cried. Harry wagged his tail and was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favourite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly, he didn't even feel the scrubbing brush he'd hidden under his pillow. Did you enjoy that? We enjoyed it too. What was your favourite part? I liked when they gave Harry a bath. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.